SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an exceptionally significant manner. SLP explicitly faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir generally is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the generally bears sort of has been laid out at $0.003 22 June 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through truly smooth love mixture cost examination for NA, or for pretty 1 week from NA, and explicitly attempt to answer this habitually generally get clarification on some things facts. What explicitly is certainly momentary cost expectation for really smooth love elixir. Essentially is SLP a very wise interest in an especially significant manner, smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels, and so on in a significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,171,633,916,656. So SLP sort of countenances obstruction at $0.003, or so they thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $45,387,585,410. Or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which basically is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level, after a vertical development of 0.4% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period in an every way that really matters, significant way. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending bearing for present moment, which especially shows that XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.14. And as of now exchanging at 50 cents in a significant manner. Right now, an essentially broad, most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an all things considered significant way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more lovely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers sort of move really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how fundamentally smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of essentially smooth love elixir, SLP, beautiful smooth love mixture execution, the genuinely day-to-day graph of kind of smooth love elixir sort of shows that the SLP cost especially has an especially descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in truly beyond 24 hours. Fundamentally further appearance how the especially all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,387,585,410, which sort of is genuinely critical. The value worth of the exceptionally smooth love mixture SLP coin really is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars. which most certainly is very huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, which truly shows that Smooth Love Elixir generally is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the certainly bears generally has been laid out at $0.003 22 June 2023. In this video we will walk you through kind of Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is in every practical sense. Transient cost expectation for genuinely Smooth Love Elixir. Truly is SLP an excellent interest in a genuinely large manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 22 June 2023. Inside a truly day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath really as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA to especially break down the future development of the especially Smooth Love Elixir, which truly shows that in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 22 June 2023. Inside a day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely huge. The very relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 34, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, which basically shows that Smooth Love Elixir essentially is by esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the explicitly bears in every practical sense has been laid out at $0.003 22 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture Cost Examination for NA, or for essentially 1 week from NA, and essentially attempt to answer this habitually but in large clarified pressing issues, facts, what basically is transient cost expectation for the most part Smooth Love Elixir. By and large is SLP a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Mixture financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday outline, exhibiting how sort of Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 22 June 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time period, especially made